We're gonna talk about 5 stocks visited our support and bounced back. So we're gonna see if we have opportunity to make money, because when the dip visits the support, there's a potential for big gain for the price where the insider have buy limit order. So there's a strategy, even the market going down, there's a strategy to buy the right dip for the right stocks. So let's get right to it and start with Sincionic. Everybody knows Sincionic went crazy down last time, even though we have kind of good news with FDA approval. However, the price went down. So let's see what's going on. The price went down last week from the $3.84 near the $4, near our resistance. And guess what happened? The price went down parabolic. Let me just calculate how much for this gap. Almost 38%. And what we said last time we did the video, we said we're gonna see a buying pressure around the $2.18 precisely. And guess what happened today? We bought back perfectly, and the price went up at least until all 8% up to test this gap. Right now we have a bit warning sign, because whenever we have a jump, then retest the support that we jump from, this is a bit of sign of weakness. So I'm just we have to get a bit careful right now, because we visit the support again. So any price go below the $2.16 and close below here, will be a major weakness and might visit the $1.72. And here we're gonna see another bounce, even maybe 25% here around this area. However, right now we're still holding. First time market open, we bounce. Second time we have 2 candle above the $2.18 precisely. So I will watch closely, and guess what I'll do? I put my notification around the $2.15. You see, perfect on TradingView, because I always do alert and for a lot of stocks, for coin and stocks. Last time we talked about AMC, and we did even Hood. So if you want to join, the link comment section below if you want discount and even $30 in the TradingView currency. So as I said, here we bounce and we expect the price to hold here. Then we have to go above and test the reversal, or the price reversal area above the $2.43. Let me just put it here. If we close above the $2.43, we're gonna see the test for the $2.73 and go beyond the $3 again. Second one, we have LKCO, and we predicted for this reversal and rejection around the 0.88, and we said the confirm for big buying pressure because we have a big reversal for LKCO near our support, the 0.35, and the price went crazy up almost 120%. And I know a lot of people lost faith for LKCO because the price was crazy around the $2.70, and we said here we're gonna see a selling pressure and warning sign. We already did the video regarding that last year around June. However, the price is still going down. You see how much time, almost 223 days until the price started to reverse. So if we want to confirm for a nice trade right now for LKCO, I already put my notification around the where above the 0.88, where around the 0.95. This will trigger the price for reversal and go test the $1.39 for the next resistance area. So we need to have the price close above this ascending line, you see, around this area to confirm the reversal. That's why we see a selling pressure right now and 6% down. SNDL. So SNDL hit our resistance level last week around the 0.66, and right now we have the price above the 0.61. So right now is pretty straightforward. You see how much the price accumulated a lot here between the 0.61 and the 0.62. So that's what happened right now. The price is accumulated in this area. So what's gonna happen for SNDL? holding above the 0.61, just guess what, the price will jump again above the 0.66, and this time we're gonna see the 0.71. so let me just calculate how much for this trade will be, how much we're gonna risk. We're gonna risk 1.80% and get 16% up. So this is a nice trade to have. I already put my notification around the 0.60, and here will be the price jump up, which will be around the 0.6260. This will be the trigger for the price to go to 0.66 and 0.71. Next up we have Prague, and Prague is test our resistance. We said it, the $2.11 got rejected perfectly. The price went down, and guess what? We held the $1.71 from last Friday. We talked about it. We said this is a crazy support we should hold. Today pre-market went down, however pre-market is volatile, that's why I don't count on the pre-market. The market open, we gapped up, and the price went crazy up. And I think Prague was up 2%. Sorry, Prague was up 2%, not below. I think SNDL and LKCO, yeah, and the other went down. However, for Prague, it was 2% up in the pre-market. That's why we have a gap here. The price is held, our support is $1.71. So still, the support right now should be higher, and I would expect it to have support to $1.80. Even we have a resistance right now and rejection around the $2.11. If we want to break the $2.11, we want to hold right now the support, not the $1.71, but the $1.80, to confirm this bullish momentum is still there, and we might see the $2.68. Lastly, we have Axella, and Axella testing our exhibition average around the 0.74. The 0.74 is the resistance. The price went down a bit. However, right now, as we said today, we held the 0.64. Last time we talked about Axella, we said this is crazy support to hold, and we talked about it in our Patreon, I guess. We talked about the Tesla, we talked about Mana, coin, everything alert every day on our Patreon. Even we talked about here on our Discord or Locker Room Investing. We have almost 11,000 members on here. We do alert daily before the market opens, so we hunt with the insider. So exactly, we said for Axella, we bounced from the 0.64. The price went up, as I said, just rejection here around the 0.75. 0.75 will be a turning point right now for Axella. If we want to see the price go to $1, the $1.27 even, because last time we tested the 0.95 and we went down. So right now we confirm one thing: if we have the price go above this level, we're gonna see the $1.27. However, if we get rejected around the 0.76, 0.79 and never see a closing candle, we're gonna see test again for the 0.64. If we don't hold, we're gonna see the 0.53. So this is scenario will be plausible if we don't go above where the 0.7589. We need a closing candle, 1 hour candle above it, to confirm that we're gonna see what, the $1.27 this time for Axella. This will be a turning point for Axella, because if we get rejected, it means the price is kind of weakness. We have a weakness and the seller in control after this selling pressure happened around the 2nd of February and the 7th of February. Okay, we want to confirm this reaction to happen by this week. I will update you daily about those stocks. However, if you want daily update, because we can actually cover all the stock, we can cover it on Patreon and Discord and the TradingView community. So join us and let's get ready to hunt and never miss any trade. So see you in the next update.